Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Brianna. Obviously, I'm Brianna. Today, I'm so excited because I'm doing my first official mukbang. I'm so excited. I watch them all the time and I don't know why it's relaxing to watch other people eat that are not like smacking and stuff, but I don't know, it's really weird. I like to watch it. So, I am going to do one. I did go and get my food for it, and I got it from Inkkitchen, Las Vegas. On Instagram, it's like Inkkitchen LV or something like that, but it is called Inkkitchen. I'm so excited. We ordered it, picked it up. When the bag came to the car, it smelled amazing. I don't know if anybody else has heard about them, but it smells amazing and it's my first time trying it, so I'm hoping that it's really good. Now, I'm hungry. I ain't ate since lunch, so I'm ready to eat now. So, what did I get? Let's just talk about it real fast. I got the salmon, shrimp, lobster with ink rice, as well as lamb chops and the ink mac. And Markeith got the exact same thing, except for he had steak, so I got a few pieces of his steak just so I could try it out, and it looks amazing. The food looks so good and it smells even better. So this is my meal of the night. I'm so ready. So let's go ahead and try it. Now, like a true foodie that I am, I did try shrimp in the car already, and it was bomb. I already got into it, but I'm excited. My plate is all seafood. Yeah, that's good. It's like hibachi. If y'all have ever been to hibachi, it's like hibachi. Yeah, that's good. I really want to get into this salmon. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I did not pray. Oh, Jesus gonna get me. Okay, let me swallow it. I got you in a minute. Oh, not in a minute, but I got you. All right, sorry, Jesus. Dear God, thank you for this food. Thank you for blessing me to be able to purchase this food. I ask that you take out any impurities that is in this food. Take it out, bless it, cover it, cover the chef that made it. In Jesus' name, amen. I couldn't think of a prayer. I feel guilty because I was sitting there thinking about the food as I was praying. They got a whole lobster. I feel like they gave Markeith a bigger lobster than me. And I'm feeling a little jealous. They got me some lemon. Maybe I should squeeze the lemon on here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's squeeze the lemon. Maybe I think it's only meant for garnish, but I'm gonna squeeze it on there. My lobster look real good. Ooh, that look good. I'm about to pop it out so I can eat it. Ooh. Now, I love seafood. That's why I did all mine seafood, because I can eat seafood all day, every day. Okay, so this is lamb. This is the lamb. And I actually had never had lamb before. So that's pretty interesting. It's good. It's good. I wouldn't eat it all the time. Oh, I'm not supposed to bite that? That's a bone? So what, is the meat only on the top part? That's a bone? Oh, no, they lying. Now, our place was pretty pricey because we did do the lobster, the lamb. We did 2 lobsters and the lamb, which is what really took the price over. But if you just do like a regular plate without going all fancy like us, then you should be spending a lot of money. The mac is cool. It's cool. I'm gonna put that up there. Oh, my steak. Let me try my steak. Me and my kids like our steak medium. Yeah, it's medium. And so we don't eat well done steak, and I think they make that well done, which is cool. Yeah, I would definitely recommend. I mean, you could try the mac, but I prefer the rice. I prefer the rice over the mac. But overall, everything good. It's all good. What y'all been up to? We still in quarantine and shit changed. Still on lockdown. But have y'all been seeing Texas? Oh my God. Now, first of all, I didn't even know that it snowed in Texas. Like, is this a normal thing? Or, I mean, obviously not the whole snowstorm and the pipes bursting and stuff. Obviously that's not normal. But does it usually snow in Texas during the wintertime? Just like normal snow? Because this is ridiculous. And I'm definitely praying for everybody who live in Texas. You know, that y'all be good, because I can only imagine. I would be devastated. You hear me? I would be devastated if my pipes burst. That's crazy. And they don't have power. No water, no power. I was watching videos and stuff, and people was putting their food out in the snow just to keep it frozen, which is really smart. I would do that. Especially since I got a backyard. If I had a whole bunch of snow in my backyard, I would definitely put all my freezer food in the backyard in the snow. Shoot. I definitely would. And I ain't had no problem. Girl. I'll put it right back there. Oh yeah, he cooked that well done right there. Well done steak just don't taste right to me. I like it medium. With a little pink in there, with the little juices that's gonna run out. Now that's a good steak. But he did his thing. He definitely did his thing. Now I don't know his name. I just, when I was reading reviews and stuff, everybody calling him Chef Ink. So I don't know, you know, I just know about Chef Ink. And I don't know. Y'all, how y'all liking my channel so far? How y'all like it? What y'all want to see? Okay, first of all, let me say this. A lot of y'all be commenting, not on the videos, but like y'all send me personal messages, or y'all send me messages on Snapchat, Facebook. You know, everybody sends me messages. If you're not afraid you can post it on YouTube, like down in the comment section. You can post it on YouTube. It is a lot less work, and you know, it's just easier to just post it down there. I mean, not unless y'all shy. I can understand if you're shy. If you're shy, you don't want to comment. I try my hardest to comment back on everybody's comments, but sometimes my toddler be having my phone, you know, and I'll be forgetting to check it and stuff. So I'm sorry if I comment back like 2 or 3 days later, but I try my hardest to comment back and try to keep watch of who's saying what on the comments. But yeah, how y'all like it? I like it. I actually enjoy making videos for YouTube. I really do. Because I feel like I can really express my artistic side. I have a lot of ideas going on up here. A lot going on. It's so bad that when me and Marquise sit down to do our like brand work meetings, YouTube meetings, we do sit down and have meetings together about like our videos, the ideas, how we're gonna create it, blah blah blah. And at the beginning of each month, we plan out our videos for the month, and it gets so bad that I be having so many ideas. Sometimes I'll be like, oh, well, I can do this instead of that, or I can do this and that. So it's really bad. My ideas be going. My brain just go. It just be going. I'm starting to get full. I'm starting to get full. It's a lot of fun. I know that I have some subscribers from the UK. Yeah, I do. I have some subscribers from England. Hey y'all. Hi guys. I have some friends from the UK that when I used to work for the Girl Scouts or whatever, we became friends. And I have some friends from over there, so I kind of know your lingo a little bit. I be knowing a little bit of what y'all be saying, even though it's not like a different language or nothing. It's just like you guys say different words differently, whatever. But welcome. I also have a subscriber. Now I don't know her name. I don't know if it's a girl or guy. But I don't know their name. I do know their YouTube name is Stitching Baby Boom from Pennsylvania. Hey girl, boy, what's up y'all? Cause she's faithful. She's another one that's faithful of commenting and liking my videos and stuff. So thank you. Actually, you know, I just want to say thank you to everybody who comment and likes on my videos. I do notice it. Now I cannot see the likes, like exactly who liked the videos, but I can see how many likes I got, and obviously I can see the comments from who comments, and I can also see like a couple of subscribers. I can't see all of the subscribers, so I don't know who all of them are. They only let me see maybe like 20. I could only see like 20 maybe. So but shout out to y'all for subscribing. Thank you, Inkkitchen, for sponsoring this video. That was practice. That was practice for when my videos start getting sponsored, because it's coming. It's coming. Manifest that thing, girl. Manifest that thing. Yeah, I got, oh, if you have not seen my Starbucks video, go down, click the video, watch it. That's gonna be my first sponsorship. It's gonna be Starbucks. Watch what I tell y'all. Say, okay, what's today's date? Dang, I ain't got no calendar. What's today's date? Is it still February? Okay, whatever today is. Okay, yeah, whatever today's date is, save it, because on this day, in this video, at this right now time that I'm eating this, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be sponsored by Starbucks, and I can't wait. Starbucks and Target, those are my two. Oh, nope, I got three. My top three: Starbucks, Target, and Dr. Teals. Listen, I'll tell y'all about the Dr. Teals real fast before I wrap it up. For everybody that got little kids, now, I know this is just I'm gonna just say this, and I'm pretty sure some moms gonna know what I'm talking about. Melatonin. Melatonin, okay? Now listen, I was at Walmart. Yeah, we was at Walmart off of 215 in Decatur. I like Walmart and Centennial, and we seen a bubble bath, lotion, Epsom salt, and bubble bath, lotion, Epsom salt. Yes, those 3 items, and Dr. Teals bedtime lavender melatonin for kids. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, and so I used it last night because I do have a 2-year-old that is a little wanna stay up to like 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. And so I used it last night just for a little encouragement. That way I ain't gotta give her the gummy. Just for a little encouragement. And I'm just gonna say, when she got out the tub, I lotioned her down, put her clothes on. She was out. Honey, do you hear me? Out. She was out, knocked out, sleep. I was like, oh yeah, babe. Yep, that worked. I'm gonna do the bubble bath and I'll do the lotion, but I won't do the Epsom salt every single night. I won't do that every single night because I don't want it to be an overload. Like, I don't want it to be an overload for her. And I don't know, you know, what's going on, how, if it goes in the system, what, I don't know any of the specifics. So I won't do the entire, maybe I even do it like every other night or something, or every couple nights I'll, you know, do a nice little bath for her. And then on the other nights I'll do a regular bath. But, bomb. Okay, so my boo-boo heard me talk about it, so he brought it to me. This is the Epsom salt. That's the Epsom salt, right? It looks just like ours. That is so cute. This is it's bubble bath, body wash, and shampoo. But I just use it for bubbles because Emmy takes baths with bubbles. And then the lotion is in her bedroom, so, but it looks exactly like this. Like, it's a whole combination. Moms, you're welcome. Dads, your grandparents, y'all welcome. I'll just put y'all on. Dr. Teals, call me because I can show sponsor a video for you. I sure will. Yes, I will, because that's some real deal Holyfield right there. That stuff really do work. So yeah, that's a whole nother situation. Now I am full. I'm full, and yeah, I'm pretty much done. I done maxed out. This food was really good. This was really nice to do this mukbang. I'm definitely gonna do more mukbangs in the future. Let me know if you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Share the video with your close friends, close families. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I love you. Peace.